This is a demonstration of how you can use the attendance zone maps that are found on the district website for Frisco ISD. We are looking at a 2019-2020 elementary school zone map. There will be additional maps for middle and high school. This is a Google map. If you are comfortable and familiar with Google Maps, you can navigate through these areas and find your address manually by dragging and zooming throughout the map. Every layer here represents not just the district boundary, but the actual school zone that you would be zoned for. So if you find your address and there is a layer on top of it, that's a initial indication that you are within the zone. So each one of these, when you click on a layer, it will show you which zone that is. So this is the Robertson Elementary Zone. Next to that is the Phillips Elementary Zone. So look for your address manually if you would like, but for most people it might be easier to search for your address this way. I'm going to use the district central admin address as an example. If Google recognizes your address, it will offer up a suggestion, and if you click on that, it'll take you right there. And you'll get a red dot for the address that you searched for. If you have a layer where your address is, that's a decent indication that you are within the zone and that you are zoned for a particular campus. The Frisco ISD admin office is zoned for the Shawnee Trail zone, Shawnee Trail Elementary School zone. If you search for an address that's outside of the district, then you will see no layers on top of your address. So this is an address that's right outside the boundaries. It's closest to the boundary right here, but this is outside of Frisco ISD and not zoned for any schools of ours. So this is a tool. This is not a 100% foolproof tool. And additionally, there are addresses that are on the borders of our district. And for those types of situations, it's best to contact the campus or the district to get further confirmation one way or the other of what district or campus you are zoned for.